Now, would I buy this Sash window box manufacturer for 1.5 million? I recently saw this manufacturer of Sash windows listed for sale on a broker site. It specialises in Grade 2 listed properties, operates across the UK, and has been in business for more than 30 years. The business has 11 members of staff and has a leasehold factory as its home. Turnover is listed as 700,000 and net profit 180,000. The broker's listing boasts that the business has enormous expansion potential and lists the asking price as 1.5 million. Can you see what I see? Would you buy this business or would you pass? Let me know in the comments below. Now, my first big red flag with this business is that they want £1.5 million for a business that only makes £180,000. In my experience, the profitability is always going to be exaggerated. So I reckon with a little bit of diligence, that 180 is probably more like 150 on a good day, which makes the £1.5 million asking price absolutely ridiculous. Unless there's some real estate in there. I suspect that there might be, but the business broker does not tell us this very, very important fact. Here is what jumps out at me from the listing. You know how when you're buying a house, the estate agents build up the property and tell you about the beautiful garden and the amazing location and how happy you're going to be living there as a family? Well, you wouldn't expect business brokers to do the same, would you? But they do. For example, this is an exceptional company looking for an exceptional buyer. Who falls for that flannel? I tell you who does. First-time buyers who haven't learned how to buy a business professionally.